Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pop-up effects. We'll start by understanding their purpose and common uses. Pop-ups are fantastic for grabbing user attention, whether for important announcements, subscription forms, or special promotions. They can appear after a few seconds, upon a button click, or when a user tries to leave your page. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to implement them effectively. Next, let's set up the basic HTML structure for your pop-up. You'll need a main container, often a div, to hold everything. Inside this, create another div for the actual pop-up content, like text or an image. Don't forget to include a clear close button, perhaps an X or a close text, so users can easily dismiss it. This foundational HTML provides the canvas for our design. Now, let's make your pop-up look great with CSS. We'll position it in the center of the screen, often using position, fixed and setting top, left, transform properties. Add a dark, semi-transparent background overlay to focus attention on the pop-up. Crucially, set its initial state to display, none so it remains hidden until activated. This styling ensures a professional and user-friendly appearance. Finally, JavaScript brings your pop-up to life. You'll write simple functions to toggle the pop-up's visibility, changing its display property from none to block or flex. Attach event listeners to elements like buttons or the document body to trigger these functions. For instance, a click on a Sign Up button could reveal the pop-up, and clicking the Close button will hide it. This adds dynamic interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.